All right, everybody, welcome back to Geek and Geezer Fishing. In today's video, we are at Roosevelt Lake. I've got some reports that the fishing's been pretty tough, and by the looks of this parking lot, being the geeker here, we're going to try and get out and get on some top water early this morning. Stick around and see how we do. We'll catch up with you in a little bit. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and please leave some comments. Let's get down to the water and see if we can't catch some fish. All right, guys, so I am going to be throwing this BERKLEY CHOPPO. See if we can't find some top water action this morning. What I like about this CHOPPO is you can work at so many different patterns, and that's kind of key. You got to figure out what pattern the fish prefer. Sometimes it's a steady retrieve, a slow steady, a fast steady. Sometimes they like a popping retrieve. It's just such a versatile bait. Hopefully we'll get into some fish here. Water's a little choppy, it's a little breezy this morning. Hopefully we can still call up some fish with our CHOPPOs. Make quite a bit of noise. We're going to be just throwing it right in this brush, the tips of this brush. Beautiful morning, a little cloud cover. What's cool about fishing in a submerged brush like this, man, you can get a blow up anytime. At the beginning of your cast, 2 feet from your boat. I mean, it could be an adventure for sure. Oh, dang it. Dude, he exploded on that thing. Oh, man. Right by the freaking boat. Got one, guys. Got one. Got one. Oh. Well, boy, oh boy. Man, dude. All of that, and you made me lose my worm. All right, well, we got one, guys. Little guy, drop shot, morning dawn, trying to figure things out. Kind of tough. The sun comes out, clouds come in, so at least we got one. Well, anyway, nice little fish. Thank you, little dude. Away he goes. Got one on the CHOPPO, guys. Oh, whoa. Jeez, Louise. Oh. Oh, he's kind of foul hooked, doggone. Got him. Oh boy. Boy, he exploded on that thing. He didn't even. exploded on it. Didn't even get it. Anywhere near his mouth. Oh, that's a little better one. That's a little better fish, guys. I went on the Choppo. Second explosion. Well, his mouth's a little ripped up. He needs to get back and continue to heal, little fella. All right, let's get this guy back. There he goes. Nice. That's not very good. Got one. Oh, that was sweet. Oh, I got one. Oh, I got one on that Choppo, man. Got one on that Choppo. Oh, he's a good one too. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nice. Oh, baby. Oh, baby, come here. Oh, yes, sir. Woo! I hope I got that. Oh, man, nice. Oh, yeah, I get a little nervous, man, when I got all these hooks, man. Oh, sorry, buddy. I just put that one. Let's put that one in your freaking gill plate. There we go. Got him. Got him. Oh, that was sick, man. I just started to reel. And, couple decent ones, man, on this Choppo. We've been lucky, man. The sun's been in and out. It's getting later in the morning. It's 9 or so, but this cloud cover, they're still getting a few on this Choppo. So nice. Let's get this guy back and see if we can't keep catching. Nice little belly on that one. Let's get this guy back. He's a chunker, dude. He's a chunky one. There we go. Let's get him back. Let's get him back. There you go. Boom, gone. Nice. The ever-changing conditions at Roosevelt Lake, man, I tell you. All right, guys, well, that's going to do it for our morning session. We kind of got blown off the lake. We'll get back at it this evening, see if we can't get on a good evening bite, and see if we can't catch some fish. So we'll catch up with you when we get back out on the water. Got one. Well, got me on another one on the Choppo, guys. Nice fish. Seems like the steady retrieve is what's working. Got him. Got him. Got him. Don't you do that. Don't you do that. There we go. Not a giant, but another one on the Choppo. getting a few. All right, goodbye, buddy. Goodbye. There he goes. Oh, this place. All right, guys. Well, that's going to do it for today's video. Topwater fishing here at Roosevelt Lake. Fighting the conditions of the monsoon season. But we were able to get on some fish. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please click subscribe. Please hit that thumbs up. Feel free to leave some comments. Let us know what you like and what you don't like. And we will see you guys next time out on the water.